Liquid tanks, in chemical, refining, food and beverage and other process industries can have foam present. The dynamic nature of foam means there is no one-size-fits-all measurement solution. So, let us review challenges presented by foam, and how to realize operational improvements through proper level instrumentation. There are 3 potential level measurements that involve a liquid tank with foam. Measuring the liquid level through the foam layer. Measuring or monitoring the top of the foam layer. Or, measuring the foam thickness. Choosing the right technology, or multi-technology solution, can mitigate overfill conditions or mishaps and costly environmental impact. Using the right solutions, and applying best practices for measurement and detection, can ensure optimal tank capacity utilization and boost process optimization. Magnetrol understands the importance of accurate and reliable level measurement. Repeated foam over conditions can obstruct the passage to overflow vessels. Pumping foam instead of liquid can damage pumps, resulting in significant and avoidable production downtime and replacement parts costs. Proper monitoring of the top foam layer provides access to and utilization of a tank's entire capacity. No longer do you have to reduce tank levels to provide a buffer to optimize production throughput. With large tanks severely underfilled, this can result in considerable productivity gains. In addition, reliable measurement of foam location, thickness and level can reduce the costs associated with anti-foaming agents and chemical additives. Let's talk taking a multi-technology approach. For a technology to be successful, there are a few questions to be answered. Which levels must be measured? Liquid, foam, or both? Do the levels need to be continuously monitored, or would a level switch suffice? What are the process conditions, namely temperature, pressure, corrosion, and foaming? What are the physical aspects of the tank, such as the material, the shape, or physical obstructions? It is vitally important to understand and leverage the strength of a technology, while incorporating sound design principles to mitigate any shortfall.